Why is material reuse important for sustainable design? Have you ever thought about what happens to materials when we throw them away? Understanding why material reuse matters for sustainable design can change the way we think about waste. Let's break it down. First, reusing materials helps reduce the amount of waste that ends up in landfills. When we reuse items, we keep them out of these sites, which helps decrease pollution and extends the life of landfills. This is a simple yet effective way to lessen our environmental footprint. Next, material reuse conserves natural resources. By using materials that are already available, we reduce the need for new raw materials like wood, metal, and stone. This is important because extracting these resources can harm ecosystems and biodiversity. Energy consumption is another area where reuse shines. The process of extracting and processing new materials often requires a lot of energy and water. When we reuse materials, we lower the overall energy needed and cut down on greenhouse gas emissions. This is a step towards combating climate change. From an economic standpoint, reusing materials can save money. It cuts down on the need to buy new materials and can lower disposal fees. Plus, reusing materials can create jobs in areas like collection, processing, and resale. This means that reusing materials not only benefits the environment but also supports local economies. In the world of recycle crafts, material reuse sparks creativity. It allows crafters to turn discarded or leftover materials into functional and artistic products. This approach aligns perfectly with crafting practices that focus on resourcefulness and reducing waste. When designing with reused materials, you often find that they have proven durability. This means that items made from reused materials can last longer and perform better. This fits right into the idea of a circular economy, where materials are kept in use for as long as possible instead of being thrown away. Practical examples of material reuse in recycle crafts are everywhere. You can use reclaimed wood to create beautiful furniture or decorative pieces. Metal scraps can be transformed into art or functional objects. Fabric remnants can be turned into stylish accessories or home decor. These examples show how easy it is to integrate material reuse into everyday projects while supporting sustainable design principles. In summary, material reuse is essential for sustainable design because it reduces waste, conserves resources, saves money, encourages innovation, and supports the circular economy, all of which are vital in the context of recycle crafts.